Hello everyone, my name is Hamza. I create motivational videos to inspire and empower people. On this channel we focus on mindset, success, and personal growth. If you want to level up your life, you're in the right place. Let's begin today's motivation. Chapter 1. Believe in yourself. Believe in yourself, even when no one else does. Your journey is unique, and your path is powerful. Doubt kills more dreams than failure ever will. You are stronger than you think and braver than you feel. Start today, not tomorrow. Every great achievement begins with self-belief. Chapter 2. Your time is now. Stop waiting for the perfect moment. The perfect moment is created, not found. Today is your opportunity to rise. Do not postpone your greatness. Your future starts with one decision. Make that decision today. Chapter 3. Discipline creates freedom. Motivation gets you started. Discipline keeps you going. Do what is hard now so life becomes easy later. Success loves consistency. Small daily actions create massive results. Stay focused when others get distracted. Your habits shape your destiny. Chapter 4. Turn pain into power. Pain is not your enemy. It is your teacher. Every struggle carries a lesson inside. Use your pain as fuel, not as an excuse. What hurts you can also heal you. You are not broken. You are becoming. Rise stronger from every fall. Chapter 5. Dream bigger. Do not limit your dreams to your current reality. Your vision must be bigger than your fear. If your dreams don't scare you, they're too small. You were born to achieve more. Expand your mindset, expand your life. Great things start with bold dreams. Chapter 6. Stay hungry, stay humble. Never get too comfortable with success. Hunger keeps you growing. Humility keeps you grounded. Learn from everyone and everything. Growth begins where comfort ends. Stay curious, stay driven. Chapter 7. Failure is not the end. Failure is not defeat. It is feedback. Every mistake moves you closer to success. Winners fail more than losers quit. Do not fear failure. Fear staying the same. Learn, adjust, and rise again. Your comeback will be stronger. Chapter 8. Control your mind. Your mind is your greatest weapon. Control your thoughts, or they will control you. Replace doubt with determination. What you think, you become. Feed your mind with positivity. Your mindset shapes your reality. Chapter 9. Consistency beats talent. Talent opens doors. Consistency keeps them open. Show up every day, even when you don't feel like it. Success loves repetition. Ordinary actions done daily create extraordinary results. Do not stop, keep building. Your future self will thank you. Chapter 10. Rise above fear. Fear is a liar that holds you back. Courage is not the absence of fear, but action despite it. Step into discomfort, that's where growth lives. Your comfort zone is your danger zone. Face your fears and they will fade. Your strength is greater than your fear. Chapter 11. Work in silence. Let your actions speak louder than your words.
Chapter 11. Work in silence. Let your actions speak louder than your words. No need to announce your moves. Focus on progress, not applause. Build quietly and shine loudly. Results earn respect, not promises. Stay locked in on your goals. Chapter 12. Never settle for less. You deserve more than average. Do not settle for a life you didn't dream of. Push beyond limits and expectations. You were born for excellence, not mediocrity. Demand more from yourself. Your potential is unlimited. Chapter 13. Turn vision into action. Dreams without action stay dreams forever. Action turns imagination into reality. Start small, but start now. Progress beats perfection. Take one step every day. Momentum will change everything. Chapter 14. Be the example. Become the person you admire. Lead with your actions, not excuses. Your life is your message to the world. Inspire others by how you live. Be proof that change is possible. Your journey can motivate millions. Chapter 15. Never give up. No matter how hard it gets, keep going. Your breakthrough is closer than you think. Quitting guarantees failure. Persistence creates success. You have survived everything so far. You can survive this too. Stay strong, stay focused, stay moving. Your story is not over yet.